Myself Surbhi Chauhan, sorry. Here I am presenting my PPT on secure information. Surbhi. Here are the contents of my PPT. Client survey, selected project and with title, project objective, function requirements, and tools and technologies, applications, architecture, process model, product packing, scope, future enhancement, application and dependency. Sir, actually, can I?
Hi, so you can stand over here. Good.
Before I representing my PPT, I take an example as a for Marudhar Engineering College. So how can we can secure our information like student profiles, faculties detail or some other details in secure manner. There is a little description. As we know, we have to secure our all informations like our. As we know, we have to the purpose of my project is to maintain the complete details of faculty, HOD, and the students' profile. How to maintain my HOD, faculties, and student documents in a secure manner. As we know, we basically we use text password or graphic password at this time, but it is not authentic or not safe because anyone can easily hack this, or any unauthorized people can easily hack it. For aspect of this, I can use season password, which is based on color. It is basic. It is normally used when a user. It is basically used when a user when a user insert his password first time, and it is totally authenticated and saved. As we know, sometimes the graphic passwords like we used to touch our fingerprints password or eye contact password, which is not which is very complicated, and it is not used in our today in nowadays. For and in text word we just normally use the words or the numbers, which is not 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 secure. So that's why the session password is mixture of text and graphics. There are the project objectives. The person who is using this password have an authenticated password, and the password is always different, and the characterized password should be personal, and it provide a high security. And students as well as faculty who is ever or a HOD have their own single security password. So there is no way, or there is no way to access this password by any other. There are the functional requirements. There should be authenticated and authorization. Student information is required. One and faculty information, HOD profiles, student marks, and this. The main purpose of this function, because I am taking the example of our college. So for this, I will take this functional that HOD profiles or student profiles. All types of these are all types of these information should be there. Next one. Here, users with the characteristics. Properly, there are three users in our college, like admin, second one is the HOD, and third one the student. Admin is the main of this college, like our principal. So he is able to upload or download or delete anything or any type of information which we are added or which we are stored. Second one is HOD, is head of the department. As we know that our college have many departments, and of that department there are HODs. So HODs have the capability to get any information of the student or can insert any type of information in that student. Tools and technology. For this we can use the PHP, HTML, XML and UML type technologies. These are very simple. PHP is mostly used for application, architecture. HTML and XML are the web pages which is used for the logging of the pages, and UML is the modeling language which is generally used for object-oriented languages. Tools. Dreamweaver, CS4, PHP database, bank server, Windows will be the preferred operating. I will giving you a little bit idea about Dreamweaver warehouse. It is a web page which is a website which is used by the web development. It is more flexible and it is more accurate than the other that we using HTML and XML web pages. Simple application architecture. In this architecture, we will see this: a web server. A client want to create a database to collect want to create a software in which in which he can insert his information or in which he can insert his detail. So he's just going to the web server to the server where the web server is web PHP, your model PHP and control, who is doing the making the software making the software on the client requirement, and after this he can be the client requirement, and after he can complete his performance, he can insert all these data in the database. Process model. Firstly, as I can explain before, firstly जो सर्वर होता है, पहले तो जो सर्वर होगा वो क्लाइंट की actually I was nervous.
Okay, stop.
No, sir, I will explain. Just give me 1 second.
You do have enlarged your presentation.